Ah, los de lunes y martes. Son los que quieren domingo. No, domingo.
We had a bit of downtime at the office today, so we decided to ditch work a little early and head down to the Pacific side for some fishing. We were hoping to try our luck at catching some amberjack, grouper, and snapper. We planned to try our hand at jigging. Hopefully the water would be calm enough for a good day out. Felipe, our usual captain, and David, who usually sticks to fly fishing, but was curious to try jigging with us today. Winter months can bring some wind, but overall, conditions are usually favorable for fishing. You're likely to experience a successful fishing trip in Cabo San Lucas with the diverse species and variety of fishing styles, keeping you constantly engaged.
Oh, nice, David.
Don't cast over my line.
No, oh.
Hey.
Hey,
Look at him. He's trying to cast over my line.
Cast over my line. Y no traigo batería.
Nice one.
Hola, me filme. Dale, tú sácala. Okay.
Okay, since David is catching with a small little fly, I've been trying bigger things that didn't work, so I'm gonna try these little spoons. Sierras usually go for spoons. I don't have to cast that far either because they're really, really close to the boat. Let's see if I can. I gotta win the tournament. I got un cierro más grande.
Ahí está conectado, güey.
Ok, déjame quitarle.
Lo conecto.
Good hook.
Good hook, buddy.
Cierre.
Nice
Hey.
job.
Gente, nada más te voy a subir.
David, you have Ernesto behind here.
Woo! Nice sierra. It's a nice sierra.
You got it, David. You got it. Yep.
Got it?
Oh, I thought you were fighting with a sierra, but you were fighting with a reel.
I was fighting with a reel.
Oh,
I
shit.
got it.
Good.
Okay. All good.
Okay.
Una sierra, güey.
Sierra mackerel with the fly. Felipe the Boss. 99.9.
De la marca, sigue la marca.
Got Cabos for fishing.
And it's a world record.
I can't believe I almost lost my fly, my reel.
These are the kind of flies we use for Spanish mackerel. He has a metal leader.
Telechobi fly. Telechobi. We got it.
Está chiquita. Hoy. Oh, we're using light tackle for these so that we can actually have fun. Thank you, David. Now I'm gonna win the tournament with this one.
I know.
Not even malón, güey. La miré que la voy 2 veces, güey. No, está más grande que todas.
Ahí está marcando, mira. Está marcando macizo. Le voy a reversa nomás tantito. Pequeña. All right, David. Es una garantía, tengo que manejarle. Nunca, fish on. Okay.
Acá el David anda pescando con la mosca, nos va ganando. This is your second one, David?
I've hooked a few.
But this is the second one you're going to get on board.
I hope so.
Get it on board.
I hope so.
So David's winning the tournament today with a fly. He's actually catching the most.
Oh, yeah.
World record.
World record.
World record.
Mira, hooker.
Oh wow.
Mira,
Hook up.
triple hookup. Yes.
Es que pasamos la mancha.
Amberjack. Oh,
Okay.
Oh.
Yeah.
Amberjack.
Oh.
Amberjack, bro.
We have no gaff though.
It's okay. No worries.
Should I tail?
You
By
hold
the
it?
tail?
Yeah, I got it. You hold it.
Take it by the tail.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, no.
I got an amberjack. Woo! Yeah, buddy. Beautiful, beautiful.
Puta madre, se me
Amberjack, you know the amberjack.
You released it?
A ver, los dos hay que ponerlo, güey.
Take an amberjack.
Agárralo así. Hay que ponerlo, ponlo. Go ahead, my friend.
Ahí traía uno y hoy se fue, güey.
No mames, güey, ahorita te va a jalar. Está la mancha buena ahí. Look at that. No, bro,
I think I
amberjack.
just cut the floor.
No, bro.
There it is. We got a Cabo amberjack jigging right now. And I think I just got the bottom right now.
Cool. Okay, let's go. El otro lo soltamos. Bien. Ah, that's a good fishy.
Es la piedra. No, piedra.
No, sí es.
Sí es,
It's all the way to the bottom, David.